Does Allstate cover rental cars? Yes, Allstate auto insurance policies generally extend coverage to rental cars, provided you have comprehensive and collision coverage on your personal auto policy. If you rent a vehicle for personal use within the US, your existing Allstate policy will typically cover damages to the rental car and liability for injuries or property damage to others. Key considerations: coverage. Type: if you have full coverage, comprehensive and collision, your rental car will likely be covered. Liability-only policies may not cover damages to the rental vehicle itself. Rental duration. Coverage is typically valid for rentals up to 30 days. For longer rental periods, it's best to confirm with Allstate. Business use. Personal auto insurance may not cover rental cars used for business purposes. Check with Allstate if you plan to use a rental vehicle for work-related activities. Loss of use fees. Rental companies may charge fees while the car is being repaired. Coverage for these fees varies, so verify with Allstate if they are included in your policy. Additional coverage options. Rental car company insurance. Purchasing a collision damage waiver, CDW, from the rental company can provide additional protection. Credit card benefits. Some credit cards offer rental car insurance when you pay for the rental with the card. This coverage is often secondary to your personal auto insurance. Final recommendation: before renting a car, review your Allstate policy details or speak with an Allstate representative to confirm your coverage. Understanding your policy in advance can help you decide whether to purchase additional insurance from the rental company. To see the best offers on car insurance today, click on the link in the description below.